We'll finish up that today. Yesterday, I have added the code for only two keywords, admin login and admin logout. Let me add the code for the rest of the keywords. Here, admin login, admin logout is covered. See, all keywords need to be covered, and you no need to repeat the keywords. Based on the keyword, we are calling the corresponding function. If the keyword equal to admin login, either this or this, we are calling the appropriate function using the input data. So every keyword must be covered at least once. Login, admin login covered, logout covered. This keyword already we have repeated covered. I have to cover new employee registration keyword, this keyword, new EMP-REG. See, based on the keyword, we are calling the appropriate function from the library files. So the next one, other keyword, sorry, case, the new employee registration. If the keyword is new employee registration, what to do? We have to call this add employee function, correct? We have to call this add employee function using this input data present in the Excel sheet. So here, I'm creating all objects for the classes here. Next one is employee. We are calling add employee function, which needs first name and last name. So we have to access the first name and last name available in the Excel sheet. For this, I declare two variables here, fname and lname. So before calling the function, we have to access the data from the Excel sheet. The Excel file, the keyword file, the Excel sheet, second sheet, row number J, column number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, column number 5. Name, last name equal to column number 6. So we are reading the data available in the Excel sheet. And this, whatever the value it is returning, Boolean value I am taking into the variable. Right. You know, every case needs a break statement, break. The same way, the other keywords also to be covered. Logout already available. admin login already available. New user registration also to be covered. Case, new user registration. It needs 3 parameters: the employee name, username, and password, something like this. And we have to call add user function. Employee name, username, password are the input arguments. So here, I'm creating an object for that users class. Then, after creating an object, here, I'm calling the function add user. It needs employee name, username, and password. We have to access the data from the sheet, like the previous one. Here I'm declaring the variable employee name, employee user ID, employee password. The employee name equal to this we have to access. This employee name we have to access. The data present in the 5th column. Then employee user ID equal to, we have to access the data available in the 6th column. The employee password equal to, we have to access the data present in the next column. Okay. Then here it is, employee user ID. This is employee password. Whatever the value it is returning, again I'm taking it to the variable break. So user registration also covered. Only one keyword. Okay, yes, one keyword is left in employee login, because employee logout, admin logout code is same. Okay, employee login and employee logout is left in. Employee login keyword, employee logout keyword, these two keywords to be covered. Case EMP login. Just a minute. Case EMP login. We have to access the username value, password value, nothing but employee username and password value. And we have to call the function available in this login page. The function is EMP login. So we have to call EMP login, which needs employee user ID and password. So here already we have the employee user ID and employee password. So employee user ID equal to the data present in this column, the employee password equal to the data present in the next column. And these function return value also we are storing into a variable res. Break statement. Only still one keyword is left in, which is employee logout. Employee logout. So we have to call just the logout function. No data required. Even this function return value also we have to keep in a variable res. Break. So now all keywords are covered. All keywords are covered. Now here, based on the keyword, we are calling the corresponding function. Function return value we are storing in a variable res. Now, if res value is true, so what I will do, see, when this case satisfied, then only the code gets executed. Otherwise, res value is nothing. I'll initialize the res value with false. I'm initializing res value, Boolean variable value with false. And also, here I'm adding another two variables here. TS result, res, TC result, test case result. This variable to store the test step result, this variable to store the test case result. If the Boolean condition is true, res value is true, TS result, step results. Based on the keyword, we are calling the corresponding function. Function return value we are keeping in a variable res. If res value is true, I want to update here pass. I want to update here pass. So pass, then Excel is dot set cell data, the keyword file, second sheet, TS sheet, row number J, the column number 0, 1, 2, column number 2, I want to update with TS res, that is pass. We are updating the results here. 0, 1, 2, 3, sorry, column number 3, not 2, column number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm filling with the green color. The keyword file, TS sheet, row number J, column number 3. Else. Otherwise, TS res equal to test step result equal to fail. Now, I want to update the results with the same fail. fail gets updated here. After updating this, I want to show this with red color. The keyword file, second sheet, TSC, row number J, column number 3. Done. But here, still we have some pending code. You tell me what is the code still pending? You tell me what is the code still pending? We have made the code up to updating the step result. We have not yet implemented the code to update the test case summary. After updating the step results, if all steps are passed, we have to update test case summary pass. We are updating step result. We have not built the code to update the test case summary. That code is still pending. Here we have to write the code to update test case result. To update a test case summary. First, I'll run till this point, then we go with that. Okay, only to check my logic, only one test case is available here. I selected only one test case to run. Save. Let me run this code. We have selected only one test case to run, admin login test case. Done. See that Excel output now. Test engine output is okay. See the Excel output. The only one test case selected to execute. Remaining are blocked. Here, the test case one executed, we have observed, executed, it is updating the results. Pass. Only one test case we have selected here. Corresponding steps are executed and updated the results. And this is the data utilized for test case execution. Now, what is the code still pending? After updating the test step result, if all steps pass, we have to update here pass. If any one of the steps fail, we have to update here fail. That code is still pending. Let us complete that. I hope till this point clear, right, everyone? Yes, till this point clear, right? Now, here, I'll write the code to update the test case summary. So what is the code we have to write here? See, first I'll implement a simple condition. I'll explain how it works. I'll implement the condition, then I will explain how it works. So here, test, okay, sorry. This is test case result. Only we have declared a variable. First, what I will do, whatever the default value available here, that I'll take into that variable. Whatever the test case result available, that I'll take into the variable. So TCRES equal to Excel utils dot get string cell data, the keyword file, TC sheet, row number I, because first loop, I loop for repeating on the test case sheet. Right. Then column number, this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, column number 3. First, I'm reading whatever the default result available. Then I'm putting a condition here. If these test case results equals ignore case, fail. Here I'm writing, observe, I'm using a not operator, not fail. If the test case result is not fail, now you tell me, what is the results we have now, as of now here? Nothing. Nothing not equal to fail, true or false? Nothing not equal to fail, true or false? Yes, sir, answer me. True, correct. Nothing not equal to fail, true. Right. If true, if this condition, I mean, what I am simply doing, whatever the results here, I'm reading it. If this is not equal to fail, if the value is not fail, simply I'll update the test case summary with step result. I'll update the test case result with step result. Column number 3, step result, whatever it is. If not fail, then only I'll update. If fail, I'm not doing anything. See, let me explain how it works, how this works. Listen. See here, the first test case selected to execute. As per your code, it goes and execute the first step. It is calling admin login function. Using this data, the function return value is, for example, true. If true, as per our code, what we are doing? TS results equal to pass. We are updating the step result with pass. The pass updated here. After updating the pass, your code showing it in green color. I'm just teaching you how your code works. Right. It is getting updated with pass. Then immediately what I'm doing, after updating pass or fail step result, here immediately I am updating test case summary. How? Even without executing the second step, without executing even the second step, this logic will run, but still it works. Let me teach how it works. After updating the step results here, pause, your code reading this value, correct? Observe here. We are reading this value. What is the value here? Nothing. After reading this value, we are comparing the value with fail. Nothing not equal to fail, true. As a condition true, here we are updating test case sheet, first sheet, results with same results, RES. What is the RES value? Pause. So here, first step is pause. Once again, the first step is pause. There is no value here. It is getting updated with pause. It is updated with pause because the simple condition, if the value is not fail, update the test case summary with the step summary. What is the step summary here? Pause. So test case summary also updated with pause as of now. We have not built the code to update the colors. Okay. Now, once it is done as per your code, it will go for second iteration. Second iteration meaning the second step, this step. Once this step executed, for example, this is also pause. It is also pause. Then it is reading the value available here. Your code again reading the value. In the second iteration also, again you are coding reading the value here. Previously the value is null. Now the value is pause. Whatever the condition, pause not equal to fail, true or false? Pause not equal to fail. Now the value available in the sheet, pause. Pause not equal to fail, true. As a condition true, again this code gets executed. What this code will do? This will be overwritten with pause again. So as the two steps are paused, the test case summary updated, pause. Supposing. Let's assume. Okay. Take the second test case here. There are three steps. Second test case. So for example, it is not selected. Say this is selected. Now, say first step executed. Assumption first step was executed. The first step is pause. You tell me what is the results updated here? As per my logic, what is the test case summary updated here? Yes. Your code reading the data available in the Excel sheet, that is in the first sheet. Nothing not equal to fail, true. As a condition true, this code will be executed. Means this gets updated with pause. Correct? This gets updated with pause. I agree. Without executing the remaining two steps, as of now, temporarily the results updated as pause. Okay. Assume that second step executed, new employee registration. For example, it updated with fail. Second step fail. What happens here? Second step fail. What happens here? Pause will be overwritten with fail. Because as per our condition, if not fail, update. Pause updated with fail. Okay. Let's assume next step executed. Last step executed and it is pause. Pause. Last step is pause. Now, your code reading this value. You please check your logic. Your code reading the value. What is that value available there now? What is the value available here? Fail. Check your logic. Fail not equal to fail. True or false? Fail not equal to fail is a condition. Fail not equal to fail is a condition. True or false? False. Correct. False. The logic is false. So as a condition false, nothing will be executed. Nothing is executed. Nothing executed meaning these results will not be updated further. These results will not be updated with pause because every time what we are doing, we are reading the previous results. If not fail, update. You please observe the logic. Simple logic what I made. If not fail, update. If fail, don't update. Because my logic is, assume that, listen my logic. One test case has multiple steps. Say for example, 10 steps. Step 1 executed, pause. Step 2 executed, pause. Step 3 executed, pause. Step 4 fail. Step 4 fail. Step results updated fail. Test case summary also updated fail. Hereafter, I am updating only step results. I am not updating test case results because finally it is fail. You know the logic is if any one of the step fail, test case summary fail, correct? If any one of the step fail, test case summary is fail. So if any one of the step fail, I am updating test case summary as fail. I am not updating it further. I'm not updating it further. Got it? Right. This logic will work out. If any one of the step fail, update test case summary as fail. Don't update it further because finally it is fail. That is my logic here. Right. Now, here after this, here we have test case summary before updating. Here we are updating here. Here we are reading the value before updating here. Only for the colors purpose, again I read the value. Once again, sorry. Test case results, again I am reading here. This is to drive my condition. After updating the test case summary, here I am updating. Again I am reading the current value. If this value is true, oh sorry. It's not a Boolean value, right? If the test case results is pause, I want to fill it with green color. The keyword file, the test case sheet, row number I, column number 3. Otherwise, I want to fill the test case summary with red color. The keyword file, test case sheet, 3, done. So this is your complete framework code now. Let me do it again. So what I do this time, I'm selecting 2 test cases to run. Admin login, employee registration. Maybe for employee registration, okay, I'll delete all the data. Employee registration, Lishant, already available. Let me give some name. Okay, Narendra, something I'm giving. Okay, this is the employee account.
Yes.
I just updated the test data, that's it. Okay, anyhow, this time I am choosing only the first two test cases to run. Admin login, employee registration. Two test cases I have selected to execute. There is no results here and here. Let me run the script. The test case one, admin login. It's executed. The second test case, new employee registration. I have given some test data like Narendra something. Please observe the data. Yes, it's creating an employee with Narendra something. It is verifying in the page. We have created the code, verify in the table. Yes, in the table it is showing here and done. So two test cases are executed. And see the output here. The Excel sheet, see the output. The two test cases are executed. The two test cases are executed. Step results updated, pause. Test case one has 2 steps, pause. Test case 2 has 3 steps, pause. And do observe here, the results updated, pause. Two test cases are executed, pause. The two test cases are not selected to execute, blocked. This time, to explain the failed status, what I will do, look at this. I deleted all these. Assumption, again, two test cases are executed. I close my Excel file. I save. Only the two test cases are selected to execute. But here, wantedly to test our logic. What is the logic? If any one of the steps fail, test case summary should be updated fail. To verify the logic, wanted I'll make employee registration fail, add employee functionality. Though it is working, keenly observe here what I'm doing. I updated to return false. See, every time it will return false, correct? Temporarily, I updated the code like this. Every time it will return false. It is returning false. What is the results gets updated? Second step, employee registration. What is the results updated? Yes, fail. So if any one of the steps fail, test case summary should be updated, fail. If any one of the steps fail, test case summary should be updated, fail. So let me run my logic. I'm running this code. Wantedly, I change the logic to test our script. In fact, I changed the middle step, second step, not the first one and the last one. because the next step is pass again. In the second test case, first step pass, second step fail, third step pass, and how my logic working to verify that wanted I made it to false. It is running the first test case now. The admin login test. It's running my second test case. Employee registration. See, there are two narendras now. Previously, one all created. Done. Let us open this Excel file. Here, first test case executed. There are two steps are passed. Test case summary updated pass. Second test case. Yes, selected to execute. There are three steps here. So wanted we made the middle step fail, right? Fail updated with red color here. Second step failed, third step is passed, but still test case summary updated failed. So no doubt this logic is a tested logic, perfectly it works. So this is a logic generally we build. So only for testing our logic, I made it to false. I'll change it to true now. So this is all about the hybrid implementation. I hope you're clear about this. You can select even 4 test cases also. 4 test cases will run one by one. I just only selected 2 test cases. You can experience with all the test cases also. So now this is all about the hybrid framework. Okay. Now this Excel file already I shared to you. In fact, today I'm going to compress this entire project with the complete code, whatever we have discussed, even today, including today code. I'll upload into the Google Drive. Please do practice it. And Monday we continue with page object model, next framework or Cucumber framework, whatever. Okay, right. I'll upload this code into the drive, do practice it. And Monday we continue with the next framework. Thank you, take care. Good night.